All lenses are made of optically pure LEXAN for durable impact resistance and 100% UV filtering. OMX goggles. Modern design and utility combine effortlessly in this Black Forest 2.0 Shell 3L15K Pant. Our ski pants feature FN Dry 15K fabrication, hydrophilic lamination, a durable water-repellent treatment that provides outstanding warmth and moisture management, and articulated knees to offer extended mobility. An adjustable waistband in our waterproof pants adds added comfort, and zippered cuffs and snow gaiters deliver snow protection. It's finished with a zippered ventilation system and 3 watertight pockets. What we do is sacred to us. The passion we have for sports, technology, innovation, service, and unconventional thinking unites us and enables us to do our best work. We surround ourselves with people who bring that same intensity and excitement to the work they do. We ensure our manufacturing facilities meet all of Oakley's rigorous and uncompromising standards to allow us to achieve the highest possible level of quality. We consistently monitor production and regularly test components to ensure products made in our facilities continue to earn the right to bear the Oakley icon. If it's not good enough for the world's best, it's not good enough. That goes for each and every product we make, no matter where we make it. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit, exactly what I was hoping for. Highly recommend and look forward to purchasing again.